Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes how to identify EFI boot partition in Windows 10, 11. Click Start, Settings, click Update and Security, click Recovery, click Restart now under Advanced Startup. Click Troubleshoot, click Command Prompt. Type BCD Edit. Find your boot drive and Windows installed drive, in my case boot is EFI, and Windows installed drive is C. EFI drive has no drive letter. First we have to assign drive letter for EFI. Type disk part. Type list space, disk. Star under GPT indicates the system partition type is GPT or UEFI. First select disk 0. Type list space, volume. Select your system volume. System volume is hidden and file system is FAT32. Type select space, volume space, 2. Type assign space, letter equal to S. Boot files are located into EFI, Microsoft, boot directory. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.